Hello everyone and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Monday the 18th of July 2022. We're seeing a positive start to the week for risk appetite and you're seeing cryptos enjoy a little bit of a move to the upside on the back of that. As you can see, Ripple, Ethereum, Bitcoin and Litecoin all breaking through last week's highs already. Bitcoin in fact looking to test its current monthly high, which is currently sitting around that 22,500 mark. A big area. Big reversal daily bar off that level last time, and now can we be able to get through that area? We've already seen a daily test of it, the top of the day just rejecting, so watch that level quite closely. 50-day moving average just above there as well. Should we be able to get through that high, we can test that 50, and that'll be the next area of resistance, looking to provide some headwinds, and potentially sellers will be looking to gain control again after what has been quite a strong past week for BTC. Excuse me. Ethereum likewise also making a move to the upside after that double bottom that we saw off the 1000 handle, providing a nice platform for a break higher. We suggested we might see some range trading, and a short opportunity was quite nice, looking around that 12,800. We did reject initially, but then since then we've seen quite a lot of moves to the upside. As you can see, break higher, consolidation, another break higher, and now looking to get back into the 1550 handle. Litecoin also being able to break out of that downtrend line. We suggested on Friday when we get into there, would we see another rejection? A good opportunity to short, but as I mentioned, a nice risk day across the board on Friday with some good retail sales numbers coming through in the US, and markets just starting to reprice that 100 basis points move by the Fed back down to 75 basis points, which is giving some sort of reason, even though I don't really disagree with it, for risk to rally. How long can that be sustained? I personally still am bearish overall on risk assets, which includes crypto, and that's in the medium term, I must add. Ripple 0.3625, we can see now starting to get some legs higher, starting to see some higher lows being put in here on the H4 time frame, with a move into 0.3870 looking quite likely from here after being able to successfully clear that 0.3535 level. That's it for today's crypto session brief. That's a wrap. I won't ramble on too much anymore. That's the technicals. That's the update. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.